Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Faith and Flower. I'm Robin, and today I have a Power Hour cleaning video for you. I'm going to try to get done all of the things that I normally do for zone cleaning in my master bathroom and guest bathroom in under an hour. Now that I've set my timer, I'm going to use my Norwex EnviroWand to get all of the cobwebs down. I go around all of the corners of the ceiling, anything on the ceiling like vents and light fixtures, because I like to start from the top and work my way down so that any dust that falls can be vacuumed at the end. The inside of the toilet, I'm using the Melaleuca Safe and Mighty Toilet Bowl Cleaner, and for the outside, I'm using the disposable 7th generation disinfectant wipes. Won't you wait for me? I need you to stay right there. I'm coming right away, my dear. When I'm zone cleaning, I bring in my step ladder so that I can reach all of the high places, and I go over things like the top of the mirror and the light fixtures, and I'm using my Norwex cloth, and that's the Enviro cloth, and then I will follow it with the Norwex window cloth or glass cloth just to give it a streak-free shine. Starting with my husband's vanity, and I'm just going to use my Norwex Enviro cloth and water to clean both the mirror and the vanity, and again I'll follow with the glass cloth just to make it streak free. I like using the Enviro cloth because I just need water and it traps any bacteria or dirt, and I don't have to use any harmful chemicals.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
I'm just going to continue using my Norwex cloth to clean all of the cabinetry really well on the vanities. I like to go over, especially around the handle area where we have a lot of fingerprints, and I'll pull the drawers out to get the tops of the drawers where it gets dusty, and I also make sure that I hit the baseboards. One of the things that I also like to do when I zone clean the bathrooms is to clean out the drawers, especially the ones that we use most often, like my makeup drawer and where I keep my hair accessories, and clean out all of the hair and spilled makeup and smudges and things like that. I'm not going to get to that today in this video, but I probably will do that before the end of the week to complete my zone cleaning.
Marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall you came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you.
Now I'm just using my Norwex dust mitts to dust the shelves, the TV, and our electric fireplace in our bathroom. I'm also going to very carefully dust this light fixture that hangs over our bathtub. Now I'm just going to use my Norwex Enviro wand that I've attached to my mop handle to dust the baseboards. Now I'm just going to repeat everything in our guest bathroom.
I was so sure of our love. I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us. And now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing to know. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy. And you know how to forget all the wrongs and every reason why we've changed. And there's a storm inside my head. It's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't break away. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow.
I'm going to finish up by vacuuming and mopping both of the bathrooms. There are a couple of other things that I'm not doing during this power hour that I usually do for zone cleaning, like cleaning the showers, which I usually do when I'm in there. I just find it a lot easier, and our bathtub, because I didn't need to do it this week, we didn't use it. Also didn't dust the shutters in our master bathroom, which I usually do when I zone clean, because I just didn't think I would have time in this hour to get it done. But as it turns out, I finished all of the things that I planned to do, and I still have 10 minutes left. So I guess it's time to grab my dust mitts and go at those shutters. Thanks so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. And if you do, make sure you click that bell icon so that you can be alerted anytime I upload a new video. Thanks so much for watching.